In this video, we're gonna take a look at the 2018 new truck, the Carolina Crusher, but also 2015 new truck of the Carolina Crusher. The one on the left-hand side is the one from this year in 2018, and he is number 5 of 15 in the Epic editions, and he comes with a recrushable car. Now, the one that was back in 2015, it was the Battle Slammer series. So there are some differences with the body mostly and the BKT tires also. This one didn't have the BKT tires. Now the new version does. Now on the back of the box we have Carolina Crusher in Epic Editions, Clear Crushers, Ice Cream Man, Thrasher Flashback Series. We have Wrecking Crew, Tour Favorites of Avenger, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and the MJ Dog Pound, Soldier of Fortune, Tour Favorites, NEA Police in the Mud. So we're gonna go ahead, I'll take this one away, and we're gonna unbox the new one. We'll take a look at the recrushable car first of all. Nice little recrushable car. Now here is the new one of the Carolina Crusher. Very nicely done here by Mattel and Hot Wheels, but it's not actually accurate as well. And I'm going to show you some reasons also. And I'll bring in the other one too, of the Battle Slammers. We'll set that one back there. But let's go ahead anyways and take a look at the Carolina Crusher from this year. You got the Hot Wheels logo, the new Monster Jam logo. There's the Carolina Crusher coming around to the front. And then they also have the Carolina Crusher on the hood. Then coming around so you get to see the other side. Not a whole lot there, but what happened to the back? This should actually be yellow also, but for some reason they left this red, and they did that the same on the older version from 2015. I was looking at pictures before doing this video, and this should be yellow back here on the cab. Also, what is a little bit different is you see that little lip there, right here, where my fingernail is at, is that lip shouldn't even be there. Actually, there should be a piece that is diagonally going from here, starting here from the bottom and going up. So that should not be there as well. And this in the front, also, I'll just call it the grill, should be a little bit up, a little bit more than what it is hanging down. But, I mean, it's kind of better than this one that came out. But I kind of like this one because it was like a truck version of Carolina Crusher. And then the new body style that they did when Carolina Crusher came back into Monster Jam. Just some of the differences that I wanted to show you, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Carolina Crusher here in 2018.